In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Txt record in Godaddy. This process is crucial for various reasons, such as verifying your domain with another service, setting up email authentication, and more. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the steps. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account. Head over to the Godaddy website and enter your credentials. It's important to ensure that you have administrative access to the account, otherwise, you won't be able to make these changes. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your account's main dashboard. From there, locate the My Products section. This area is where all your domains and associated products are listed. Next, you want to find the domain you need to update. Browse through your list until you spot the correct one, then click on the DNS button next to it. This action takes you to the DNS management page, which is effectively the control room for all your domain's DNS settings. Once you're on the DNS management page, look for the section labeled Records. This section holds all the existing DNS records for your domain, including name, MX, and of course, Txt records. To add a new Txt record, click on the Add button, typically in the section's upper right corner. This will open a field where you'll input the necessary details. In the Type drop-down menu, select Txt. Now, you'll need to fill in the name field, sometimes referred to as a host. This could be your root domain, represented by an @ or it might be a specific subdomain. It all depends on where you want this Txt record to apply. Then, you'll enter the value or record. This is the actual text string provided by the service you're integrating with, be it a Google site verification code or a similar confirmation string. Make sure to enter this exactly as provided, because even a small mistake could render the verification unsuccessful. The TTL, or time to live, is essentially how long the server should cache this record. If you're unsure, set it to the default settings, which is often either 1 hour or 1 day. Once you've filled out these fields, it's time to save your changes. Double-check all the information before hitting Save. You should see your new Txt record listed among the others at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. After saving, your Txt record might not propagate immediately. It can take some time for these changes to be recognized globally, usually up to 48 hours, but commonly it's much faster. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you should now be able to confidently add a Txt record to your Godaddy domains. If you encounter any issues, feel free to consult Godaddy's support for further assistance. Happy domain managing!